Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something you're going to love. It's the single-serve blender, perfect for blending that morning smoothie, protein shake, or other blended beverage to go. The single-serve blender is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 13-ounce individual-sized jar means you can stop cleaning those large blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's light, simple, and easy to store and clean. The power cord wraps around the base for easy storage. It has stainless steel blades and a 175-watt motor that's powerful enough to make fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. It has one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button to blend. And best of all, the 13-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup, so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach is the most convenient way to make and take your smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.
The PopBabies portable smoothie blender, and I'm totally obsessed. It is a personal size and it is perfect for mixing smoothies, protein shakes, juices, supplements, and more. It is rechargeable with a USB so you can take it to the gym, work, or school. It comes with a mini ice cube maker to accommodate for smaller blades. You can just click the blend button, give it under 45 seconds, and you're all set to go.
Hi guys, I just have to show you the craziest little blender that just got delivered. This little Leegoal. Notice it is cordless, okay? You're not gonna believe how crazy convenient this thing is. Like that. Blends it up. And then blade comes off. How awesome is this gonna be to take to work with me? Keep the ingredients in the fridge, not have to pack along my big blender. It's like super powerful for how tiny it is. And then you just plug it into charge. This is seriously a game changer for me. I love it.